All right, so I'm going to do a video today. This was not supposed to be opened. I thought my book was in another package. This package almost took, goodness, 3 months to get here. But this is basically me showing you what you can get with connections. People you talk to, people you find online, people that do their own stuff and trade and whatnot. This, and I'll tell you how much I paid for each. I do not mind. It does not bother me. This is a World War I German Empire flag. And it is in wonderful condition. I'm not going to keep it on the floor for that long. You can see a couple moth holes. Ooh, goodness. And, yeah. So, this is not military, but this is civilian, I believe. I don't see any military stamps on it. But it is a gorgeous flag, and it will be hung up. Probably in my son's room. I do not want to pull it apart too much, because it does not need to be ripped any more than it is. It is original. I should bring a black light and show you guys, but that would take a lot more video. All right, so secondly, we have what's in this bag, which I enjoy. These are prisoner of war letters. These ones were sent back to Germany. I actually came back to the States, and I'm here in Texas, which is kind of funny because these were actually from here in Texas. He was a prisoner. These were sent through the U.S., but he was a prisoner in Texas. I just don't have exactly what camp. But I digress. All his letters, a Christmas postcard, and yeah, and I guess whatever. Oh, Nestle coffee. He sent home coffee. I guess I have coffee from the 40s. That's interesting. Well, I'll go in the collection. So for those I paid €35. For this one I paid 110. And then this box here is the second box I picked up. I'm doing an opening because I want you guys to see, if you talk to people and what you talk to and how you know them. I want you to see that you can actually find stuff for good deals. It's really all about how much you open yourself up to and how much you want to deal with people. If you don't want to deal with people at all, that's entirely fine. This set right here, yeah, I don't know why there's that. This set right here, there's 34 pieces. These are World War I and World War II letters. And this here I paid 34 pieces. I paid €15 for. And then the one here, like I said, I love my letters. The one here, it's all together. This is a Singular Soldiers World War I cards and letters throughout his war experience. I prefer buying the full lots because it has their whole war experience. And then it has his stuff all the way, through. This one's a cool one. I really like that one. That one I'm going to do a video on probably sooner than later. I really like that one. But, yeah, I had the full experience. I paid. There's 200 and some odd pieces in this one. I paid €110. So 110. This one I paid 15. This one I paid 35. So 110, 125, 135, 45, 55, 60, 260, €270. And this, the person I know, I can do in payments when I buy from him. So I'll usually give him $100 a month until I'm fully paid off. And he's always fine with that because he knows that I have my limitation. But some people don't. But it's always good to, go through. And these make me happy. And maybe not so interesting for some people. But this is a whole family story right here. This is a small section of the family story of both World War I and World War II. The couple letters. And this is a family's prisoner of war story. And then a cool German Empire flag, which is original and I am happy to have because it's going to go up with a lot of my other original flags for my son. This is actually a surprise for him. This was a very late birthday present. But he loves his flags and he loves his helmets. I'll do probably some more videos on his helmets later down the road. But I want to keep this under 5 minutes. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed. And hopefully you guys have a wonderful day.